There's a different kind of freedom that comes when you finally stop begging for time, attention, and affection. For so long, I didn't even realize how much of myself I was giving just to be seen, heard, or loved. I tolerated breadcrumbs, waited for replies, made excuses for silence. I kept showing up, hoping someone would choose me in the way I was choosing them. But somewhere along the way, I got tired. Not angry, just tired. Tired of justifying my worth. Tired of shrinking myself to fit into someone else's available time or mood. And when I stopped begging, it was quiet at first, a little lonely even. But then, something else settled in. Peace. I realized I never needed to chase love, presence, or affection. I just needed to give those things to myself first. And now, I'm learning to enjoy the stillness that comes after letting go. No more begging, no more waiting, just freedom.